This is going to be for the CRXA installation. I just want to go over it real quick. Our cylinder is a pretty typical KIK type cylinder. We ask if you use your own, send one in for evaluation. Pretty easy to change these. You just remove the two screws in the bracket and the cylinder comes right out. This is an 84 function, which is a classroom. Outside lever locked and outside lever unlocked. We push that down for installation. Inside always retracts. Latch. There's two little black tangs on here. They go inside the can. This is the can of the lock body. You put those in there, and those tangs go inside. The tail on the latch goes inside the latch retractor, and there's two little tangs that sit outside on here. So when it's locked, nothing. When it's unlocked, it retracts the latch. Installing this, you want to make sure this is rotated down because it's going to mate with that right there. Make sure this is down. And this is only on the 84. On the 86, which is the storeroom, you don't have this right there. So this will go in here and it'll all mate together like that. Just like that on the door. Obviously the latch will be installed. I've got a mount block here. This has got a few extra holes in it, but you'll have two 2 1/8 inch holes up here and one hole down here for the bottom portion of the CRXA, and then the latch. I'm gonna mount one. I'm not gonna screw in all the screws. So we'll mount this as, these are handed by the way, the outside trim, so we're going to install this as a right hand. To make it a right hand reverse, you just rotate the latch the other way. Okay. Obviously I'm doing this on a mount block. You grab this portion and you want to line it up on the, that's like I did on the other thing. The problem is you got to make sure that that part right here is square and mates to the other one, and when you grab the handle it usually pulls it down a little bit. So you made it up to that, and then you have 3 mounting screws that go through here. Okay. And obviously you screw in the screws for the latch with the Torx. The alignment of these is pretty important because of it's a heavy lock, and if it's misaligned a little bit you might have some binding, so you might want to check that every once in a while. So that's locked, that retracts. You can unlock with a key. It requires going about 90 degrees, come back from home to home position, it's unlocked, and the inside still retracts. The maintenance on these is pretty simple. There's nothing really to do. Wipe it off with a clean cloth if you need to, and tighten the screws every once in a while just to make sure everything's still aligned. And that's about it.